We're looking for great entry-level candidates that we can continually train to master level, and WyoTech has been a phenomenal place for us to find just that.
We need a top end of the class, the valedictorians and salutatorians. We need them interested in the trades because it is a very technical field. You got to be intelligent, and they're going to get paid if they understand the technology.
We're looking for people that know electrical diagnostics. Right now in new trucks, depending on the truck, there's anywhere from about 7 to 10 computers inside the truck talking to each other to make that truck run. And with electrical being so important with autonomous vehicles out there on the roads, it's more important now than ever to get people that understand electrical diagnostics to work on these new and advanced trucks.
In the agricultural industry, the demand for a well-qualified, young, energetic technician willing to learn and be a part of a team is definitely a lot higher.
I'm looking for candidates that are passionate about what they do as diesel technicians or body shop techs.
What I'm looking for specifically in a tech is the drive. Do you really want to do this? Are you willing to put forth what is needed of yourself to make it happen? Are you going to go above and beyond someone's normal expectations to be what you want to be? That's what I'm looking for.
You really have to meet our core values. They're passionately driven, uncompromised integrity. We also have sincere desire to help others. And the last one is humbly confident. We want tons of confidence. We want you to be a little humble about it.
We look for family-oriented people. Family doesn't always have to mean mom, dad, and the kids. It can be dogs, cats, horses. With that, we like to create that feeling on our shop floors too, that they're a team, they work together. Uplifting, positive culture is what we like to keep, but we also like to have a challenge in there too, You can stub your toe and you can learn from it.
We need them to have a good attitude because there are going to be good days and bad days. We want them to have the drive to be a better technician, the passion for this industry, because if they don't have the passion for this, it's not exactly the most glorious industry to be in.
But we also look for just the person that will smile to their coworker when they walk in the door. Sincere desire to help others. That could be a smile. That could be many different things. Able to communicate. Communication is the backbone of every business, I believe. Just someone that's willing to work hard.
If they're teachable, trainable, and they have a strong work ethic and they work well with our team, the more boxes they can check, the better off they're going to be.